Hello, today we are presenting a very interesting solution, a very interesting audio solution for your classroom, for K-12. It is an audio kit that it is including this audio box, a wireless microphone for the teacher, and also a couple of speakers. Also is including all the cables and the brackets to install everything in the classroom in a very simple way. The purpose of this solution is that teacher will use this wireless microphone that can put in the t-shirt or can use the necklace, and the audio is sent to the box to reinforce the voice of the teacher in the speakers. But it is more than this. This system is mixing the audio that came, for example, from the computer via USB, or from a line input, or from an external microphone input. Everything is combined together here. You can adjust the different levels individually, and you can adjust the master output. And the output, we have, of course, the speakers, that is including the wireless microphone and all the inputs all together in the speakers that came with the kit. They are 15 watts speakers. And also we have a line output, and we have a very interesting thing, that is the output for the assisted learning device, to help all the pupils to receive the audio in the best quality. Of course, we have the USB output to have all the audio together in the same output. Additional to this, we have an input that is for the public address of the school. So we can send emergency messages directly to the system will mute and play the messages from the PA system. So it is really interesting also in emergency. It's a total plug and play solution. You only need to connect the devices, click on the microphone, and you can start. As we mentioned, really simple setup. I only need to click in my microphone to start doing my lessons. I can move, I can interact with the pupils. Now my voice is played in the speakers, and also all the signals that we connect to the box, all the audio signals are mixed. We can adjust the levels, and we can put all together. In this case, we are recording this audio by using the USB output of the box that is connected to this computer. If I play music, for example, I'm using a lightning cable to adjust this. I can play with the levels, I can reduce or I can increase. I can do this very simple. I don't need to do anything else. Very simple.